The Keen KHT-500 is an electrical high-temperature industrial oven that is designed for rebaking flux-coated shielded metal arc welding electrodes. It has a 500-pound storage capacity and a temperature range of ambient 999 degrees Fahrenheit. For welding electrodes that have been contaminated by moisture, the high-temperature KHT-500 rebake oven is your answer. Highly efficient and easy to use, it is the perfect solution to restore up to 500 pounds of moisture-contaminated shielded metal arc welding electrodes. The KHT-500 heavy-duty construction features a durable powder-coated steel exterior, welded construction, angled perforated shelving which induces natural convection, a heavy-duty reinforced door handle, and explosion-proof door latches, a high-strength door gasket with 304 stainless steel knitted wire core and high-temperature fiberglass overbraid, and pockets at the oven base for easy transport by forklift. It also comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. For more information, visit our website www.keenovens.com.